All staff, faculty, and board members at NAIS member or subscriber schools can have access to resources that can help you stay informed on best practices, plan ahead using data, connect with other school leaders, and more. Contacts that have the NAIS permission of super admin or roster manager, typically your school's head of school, business manager, and head's assistant, can update your school's roster and account. If you are a super admin or roster manager, this video will help you get started. First, make sure you're logged into www.nais.org. Then click Manage Your Account from the homepage. Now click on Manage Roster. From this page, you can add new contacts or edit or remove existing ones. You will be asked to add a primary role for each new or updated contact. This should be the role that best describes their primary responsibilities at your school. This is also what we use to send the most relevant resources to each contact at your school. Please choose only one head of school primary role per school. Primary roles that include association or supporter are intended for non-school members. Contacts with super admin access can also grant other contacts access to edit your school's roster and account. Roster managers can update the school's roster and manage the account's profile, but cannot grant access to other staff members to do the same. You can also choose which contacts at your school have Career Center access. Member and premium subscriber schools will also see the option to select 2 contacts to receive their complimentary Independent School Magazine copies. The 3rd copy will automatically go to the head of school. To update your school's profile information, click on Manage School Organization. You will receive an email notification when it's time to update your school's opening day enrollment numbers every year, typically in January through March. Otherwise, that field will be closed for editing. If you have multiple campuses, these numbers should reflect your total enrollment. You'll also be able to update your school's primary billing contact. This is the contact that serves as the primary point of contact for all billing-related matters for your school. To save your changes, be sure to click Submit. Any changes you make will be reflected in your school's listing in the NAIS Find a School directory. Please contact us through our Help Center. Thank you for making these important updates to ensure your school's information is correct and that everyone at your school has access to NAIS resources.